Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the Google Trends error. Oops, there was a problem in displaying this page. So let's get started. So if you go to the Google and search for the Google Trends, okay, as you can see here, I will just open my Google Trends as you can see. So if you see in the trend, like I am in India, so it's showing India. So I will just click on explore. You can explore the Indian trends. Okay, if you open like here and it show any error or any downfall, that means the search volume is decreasing or increasing. For example, you will just do trending now. If you see for the real time for now, as you can see like this, if you scroll down you can see the other things as well. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.